In this video, I'll guide you through how to add another language to Squarespace, whether you're expanding your business to reach a broader audience or simply want to make your content more accessible. Adding multiple languages to your Squarespace site is a fantastic way to do it. Squarespace makes it relatively straightforward with the help of a third-party service called Weglot. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace dashboard. Start by going to the Settings menu. Once you're there, look for Language and Region. Clicking on this will bring up a range of options related to the language settings of your site. You'll want to focus on Site Languages, which is where the magic begins. Here, you'll notice the Multilingual section. This is where you can enable multiple languages for your site. To do this, you'll need to click on Connect Weglot. Weglot is a powerful integration that allows you to translate your site into multiple languages seamlessly. It's user-friendly and highly recommended for anyone looking to add multilingual functionality to their site. After clicking on Connect Weglot, a new window will prompt you to choose your destination languages. This is where you can select which additional languages you want your site to support. For instance, you might decide to add Filipino, Spanish, or Japanese, depending on your target audience or market. This selection is crucial because it determines how your content will be translated and presented to your visitors. Once you've made your selections, Weglot will work its magic. It automatically translates your site into the languages you've chosen, creating a more inclusive and accessible experience for your audience. The tool not only translates the visible text but also handles metadata, SEO, and other elements that are important for maintaining your site's performance across different languages. One thing to note is the importance of reviewing the translations provided by Weglot. While Weglot is robust and generally accurate, it's always a good idea to go through the translated content to ensure it aligns perfectly with your brand's tone and message. This step is crucial if you want to maintain a high level of quality and professionalism across all language versions of your site. It's also worth mentioning that Weglot offers customization options. You can adjust the appearance of the language switcher, giving you control over how users can switch between languages on your site. This customization can enhance user experience and make navigation intuitive for your visitors. And there you have it. Adding another language to your Squarespace site is a straightforward process with the help of Weglot. This integration not only broadens your site's reach, but also opens up new opportunities in global markets. With this knowledge, you can now expand your audience, ensuring that your content is accessible to people from different linguistic backgrounds. Remember, the key to a successful multilingual site is consistent quality and attention to detail in every translation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy translating!